Everyone. Thank you so much for joining me today. I know I was just here yesterday, but guess what? I got some hair mail. I have the brand new Alpha blend from Belle Tress in the color brown sugar sweet cream. Right now I'm wearing Dalgona in brown sugar sweet cream. Yes, I know. I am a total Belle Tress fan. Anyway, it just arrived maybe like 20 minutes ago. I knew it was coming, so I put on my face of makeup and just sat there waiting for the UPS guy. He must think I stalk him or something. Anyway, I haven't even opened the box because I wanted us to do it all together. So here it is, Alpha Blend. I am so excited. I'm so excited. I didn't even write down the measurements so I could tell you what they are, but I'll put them on the screen when I put it on. Well, I'll put it on the screen when I'm editing. All right, here it is. You can see I have not touched it. No touching at all. This brown sugar sweet cream, just on the box, it looks a little bit darker than the one I'm wearing. But you know what? That's normal. It's normal. It's not defective. It happens. Oh, taking it out. Taking the net off. I love long bobs. Absolutely love long bobs. But I also love this wavy one too. So, okay, put the box to the side. I'm going to cut off the tag because I know that I am not going to return it if I don't like it for whatever reason, which I highly doubt. I would sell it or give it away. I do not return wigs. There's no problem with returning wigs. If Wig Studio One has an excellent return policy. So if you need to return a wig, please look through the return policy. I just don't do it because I messed them up, and so you can see them. Let's see. They first went on the website on, I think it was June 15th. So this is the one that I ordered when I pre-ordered it at Wig Studio One, and then I think it was like on the 2nd of July or something. Andrea surprised us. If you received the emails from Wig Studio One, you probably saw it that there was 45% off on last weekend or the weekend before on Alpha Blend and Peerless. So, of course, at 45% off, of course, I needed to order. So I ordered another Alpha Blend in British Milk Tea, and I ordered Peerless. Don't ask me what color because I can't remember. Okay, back to Alpha Blend. Beautiful, beautiful. And if you're not familiar with brown sugar sweet cream, we have a light, medium, and dark brown. We have some caramel blonde here. We have some very light blonde, some pale blonde mixed in. So if you're a brunette and you just want to go a little bit lighter, maybe for the summer or something, great color. We have a medium brown to dark root, but it just blends beautifully into the rest of the wig. All right, taking off the zigzag part. Oh my gosh, look at this, ladies. This is beautiful. Oh my gosh. You know what this reminds me of? A drive from Ellen Villa. I'll show you the cap while I'm here. We have one of these creative laces where it's just one piece, the lace front with the left mono part. We have the felt covered ear tabs with the fibers coming through. Pull adjusters, a non-extended nape, the nice stretchy cap. We don't have any permatease here, none at all. So no permatease, probably very light density. Why can't I remember the other style that's like this? I can't remember. I know that Drive is one of them, but I can't remember which the other one is. I think Sutton. I just got Sutton by Estetica. I'll show you in a future video. All right, I'm going to take off Dalgona. I'm going to slip on Alpha Blend. I am in love. Just by putting it on. Yes, I know it's messy, but I know that this is the style. I know right away. How many of you are like that? That you just slip it on and right away you know, okay, this is going to work for me? Let me know. Let me know if that's the way you are. Oh my gosh. This is beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Beautiful. Get it? Look at that. Look at that wig. Just right off the face, right. Gorgeous. Let me show you alpha blend on all sides. No permatease whatsoever. I think compared to my other Belle Tress, I feel that it has maybe a little bit higher density, but nothing over the top. It probably, if I'm going to compare it to Dry from Ellen Villa, I think this one has a little bit less of density, but right along the same style, you know. Nevertheless, we can tuck it very, very easily. Isn't that pretty? On this color, we have the pretty blonde fibers around the face. I love this. I know not everybody does, but I want to point it out in case you're not a fan. I am smitten with this one. All right, let's see what we could do with it. If you want to pull it back, yep, it'll stay back. Because this is a straight wig, I can use my wig brush. Oh my gosh. You know, this is going to be my go-to wig for, I don't know. I absolutely love it. Love it. I'm so happy that I ordered it in a second color. Wear it up. Let me show you. You know, I think it's perfect. I love my Kushi Kamana. I love my well played. I love all of those long pieces. Peppermint, I love. But, you know, I really like this one. Let's see, if you wanted to do a ponytail, can we do a ponytail? Let's see. You could do a small ponytail if you want. Yeah. You could do a little tail. You could do a half up, half down. All right, let's take a look at the coverage. Nice coverage, and I have it pretty cinched in. If you are not familiar with Belle Tress, they run a little bit on the larger side of average. I have a 25.75 circumference, and I always have to cinch it in a little bit. Plus, as you saw, I wear a wig cap and I wear a wig grip. Very, very, very nice coverage. If you do not have this low hairline, you can wear that hair pulled back. Look at that. Excellent, excellent coverage. As I said, I didn't even look up measurements or anything because I was so excited. Now, I don't want to take time out because I want to get this video up. So right now, I am going to put the measurements right here. My face from hairline to chin is 7 3/4 inches, and that way you can get an idea of how long it's going to fall on you. It's giving me the impression that it's the same length all the way around, but I'll know once I look up the measurements and put them on the video. All right, let's take a walk outside. In case you're not familiar with this color, you could see it. It's a beautiful day out here in the Flint Hills of Kansas, and then I'll come back. Thank you, everyone. I appreciate you spending this time with me. I hope you've enjoyed this unboxing of Alpha Blend by Belle Tress in the color Brown Sugar Sweet Cream. I hope everyone is having a fantastic day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.